Hello people of the web, I'm primarily a Twitch streamer, mostly known for my derping at Minecraft, and I have an amazing community. One of my favourite things to do with Streamlabs Chatbot is have arrival sounds for my regulars. Not only does this make people feel special, but lets chat and me know that an awesome member of the community has checked in and gives us all a chance to show them a warm welcome. An example of this we could do with this.
Scott's here. Hi, Scott.
And then, without having to look at chat, I know Scott's around, and we can show some love towards him. A member of my community was asking how he could go about adding this feature to his streams. And so, being the content king I am, and it's been nearly a year since my last tutorial, I thought, why not record how to do this? Then I can make millions from the views. Well, and it might help someone if they need help. But mostly, millions! Now we're going to go through the whole process, which might increase the length slightly, but will also give me a chance to share thoughts that are worth keeping in mind. I typically invite people who have been around for a while for an arrival sound, not based on subscriptions, because let's face it, not everyone can afford to subscribe. It's a luxury, and I want to reward people for being part of my amazing community, regardless of whether they can afford a sub. After I invite people to have a sub sound, I get them to send it to me via DM or via a dedicated thread on Discord, which we might as well put up over here. So we have rival sounds. Now the only one that I've got due to do at the moment is for Neepy, who posted this file here. Now I'm pretty sure Neepy isn't his full name on Twitch, but luckily for me, if we go like this and go view profile, because most people have got their Twitch linked to their Discord, I could just check the name there. I will need this. It is important. Now, this is the file that he sent through. It's MP3, which is the right file format, but it is a little bit long.
When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back. Get mad! I don't want your damn lemons!
Now, we don't want sub sounds to be too long, because while a sub sound is playing, or sorry, I should say an arrival sound is playing, someone else that comes in and tries to do their arrival sound, it won't work because the chatbot will only play one at a time. So we typically ask for 5 seconds ideally, maxing out about 7. I'm going to go through the whole process. So step 1 is let's download the file, like so. Then it will be in my downloads folder, which I'll drag over here. There we go. Now, in order to edit it, what we're going to use is Audacity. Audacity is a very, completely free bit of software and very useful. So all we have to do here is drag this in. Now, typically what I will do is tidy them up if they're recorded or adjust with compression. So noise reduction, compression and amplification, all things I consider. But this actually looks really clean and tidy as it is. We just need to trim it. Select one play.
When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back.
So we want to trim to this point here. Right, let's delete. And remember, every fraction that we trim off means that the command gets finished slightly sooner and gives someone else a chance to do their command. So there we go. We trimmed it down to 5 and a bit seconds.
When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back.
Now all we have to do is export it. So file, export as MP3. Now, because I'm incredibly organized, quick access, Twitch, sound effect, sub sounds. Yes, that's the name of the folder. And we paste the name that I copied earlier. I like to do it via the name here because it makes life so much simpler to find things later. So that is now saved. You just need to double check, edit metadata. No, that's fine. Leave it empty. And then let's close Audacity because we finished with that. No, I don't need to save project. Next. And now that we're into Chatbot, what we need to do is add the sound into my sound library. So we go sound files. This is a list of all of the sound files. I like to categorize mine. So typically if I have one, say for Crazer, it's saved under sub. Again, I know it's an arrival sound. It's just less confusing not to edit it now. I made my decision to call it an arrival sound after I did my categories, and I don't want to have to change all of them. So we need something like that. We'll do a new one, and we'll call this NeepyMC. Funny enough, pick file, quick access, Twitch sound files, sub sounds, and NeepyMC. And we can preview it.
When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade.
Increase
make life take the
or
lemons
decrease
back.
the volume if you need to. I would like to type in a number there. I can't. For some strange reason, Chatbot doesn't let you do that. Be nice. We're dragging it, and I'm going to get annoyed if I can't get 100. Aha! 100! Right. You can do automatically generate a command, but that's not how I would recommend doing it. So we do submit there. The file is now saved. And all we have to do now is go commands. Now I keep all of my sub sounds again. Yes, sub sounds under sub, like that. So Rocky, Scout, Scott, which we heard earlier. If we edit it and then go add, funny enough, it gives me exactly the same permissions, which is handy. So I'm going to do this as Neepy, because that's how we tend to talk about him and to him. But we need to set permissions, user-specific, NeepyMC. This means that only Neepy can use this, and technically the streamer. So as a streamer, I can do the command. Now, this is the response that I wanted chat, so let's just go with something simple for now. Neepy is here. Hooray? How do I spell hooray? Hooray? Hurry. Let's go with yay, because then I don't have to worry about spelling. And a sound file attached. Now, because I added it last, it will not be alphabetical. It's at the bottom. But if you close Chatbot and relaunch it, these are all alphabetical. So, Neepy, and submit. Then all we have to do is open up my Streamlabs OBS and we can test it. So, exclamation mark, Neepy.
When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back.
Good advice, as I would agree. Right. We're going to go back to the command. Now, of course, I can search for it, but I'm nearly there now. He says, as he realizes, how many commands do I have? Neepy, there. So I tend to go with 2 minutes and half an hour. I think that's reasonable. So this is pointless because it means only one person uses it anyway. So the global cooldown is not an issue. It's the user cooldown that's more important. If someone happens to use their command too often, or if they have one that's particularly trolly, you might want to change this up or down if you want to allow them to do it more often. But I think 30 minutes, if people are arriving more than once in a 30-minute period, then they can wait. So that's it. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please hit that like button and put something in the comment section. Just tell me. Let me know. And why not put your Twitch name down there so I can come check you out. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Zach. Bye. Oh, I should show off my face. Bye. Look, I can wave.